Hi there, welcome to another movement snack. This week we are going to stretch the full body. My name is Sanne and I'm a personal trainer and founder of MoiFit Exercise Coaching, and I'm going to take you through this week's movement snack. It's a 10-minute very gentle stretch that goes through the whole body. We're going to be working standing a little bit but also lying down on the floor, so make sure that you have a comfortable underground to work on, like an exercise mat, or if you have carpet at home like I do, that's always nice to lie down onto. That's all you need and yourself, so make sure that you've got enough space and let's get ready. Okay, let's start by standing nice and firmly onto the floor, making sure that your feet are about hip width or shoulder width apart and that your knees are a little bit soft so they are not too overstretched. They are not locked that way. They are nice and soft, just as the rest of your body. If you want, you can close your eyes for these first few minutes, but you don't have to. If you keep your eyes open, try to keep a soft gaze onto the floor and see if you can bring some calmness and some stillness into the body. And try to bring that focus all the way down towards the breath. If you want, you can give yourself a few big inhales through the nose and exhales through the mouth. Or if you feel more comfortable breathing in and out through the nose, then that's okay too. Good. Make sure that you really elongate through that spine, meaning that you keep your chin tucked in towards your chest just a little bit, not all the way, so that that neck is nice and neatly stacked on top of the rest of the spine. Good, and bring that breath down to a comfortable pace. Lovely. And if you want, you can open up your eyes. You can keep your eyes closed and follow my voice as well. Try to start by bringing your arms all the way above the head in a big circle. Breathing in when you do that and breathe out when you bring the arms back down. Nice and slowly, don't rush through it. And breathe in again, arms all the way up. And breathe out. And keep going to the pace of your own breath. And down. Good. Up again. And down. One more time. And bring it down. Let the arms hang next to your body and start by bringing your chin up towards the sky. Nice and slowly. As far as you can, bring the back of the head all the way into the neck and then down, bringing the chin all the way down towards the chest. And keep this one going in your own breath, in your own tempo. And down. Good, and again. And down. One more time. Next time that you bring your head down, we're going to come into a forward fold. So you tuck the chin in towards the chest, and vertebrae by vertebrae, you're going to roll the upper body down towards the floor, keeping those knees a little bit soft. They don't have to stay stretched at all. And you let your arms hang, let those shoulders hang, and the head as well. Try to really look in between your legs to the back. And hold on to your elbows with your hands so that you can really come into that ragdoll position. Good. Keep on finding that forward fold, and if you want, you can sway left to right a little bit. If that doesn't feel good, stay in that forward fold. Good, and maybe you even want to play around with the hips here and come into little half squats. Good. Lovely. Let go of the elbows again, let the arms hang down, and we're slowly going to roll ourselves up, but only halfway. So find a half fold. For that one, I do stretch my knees all the way out, and I try to find a position just above my knees to put my hands on. And then I'm trying to really push my bum back and elongate the spine and the neck, nice and flat, parallel to the floor. Good. Once I have found that position, I'm going to bring my arms out towards the front. Exhale. Lovely. See if you can twist your upper body a little bit towards the side. Bring it back to the middle and over to the other side. Good. Almost there. Bring it back to the middle. Let the arms come to the back this time, as if you are flying through the air. Keep on finding that half fold. Good. And now try to intertwine the fingers behind your back and bring the arms over as far as you can. You can bend the knees a little bit again and try to fold yourself forward, looking in between the legs. Good. 2, 1, and bring yourself back to that half fold. Undo the fingers. Let yourself fold forward down towards the floor, and from there, slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, roll yourself up all the way back to standing. And find a good mountain pose, sorry. And relax. Good. Excuse me. Lovely. When you've come back up and you're nice in that mountain pose, you bring your left hand up towards the sky. Grab that left wrist with the right hand. You're going to pull yourself up and over to the right. And if you want to add more to this side bend, you can always step your left foot behind the right and bend even more. If that doesn't feel good, stay right where you are and find that nice spinal bend to the side. Good. Bring it back to the middle and change sides. Other side. And again, you can put that right foot behind the left and bend that way. Good, and bring it back to the middle again. We're going through that routine one more time. So finding that neck stretch first, bringing the chin up towards the sky, towards the ceiling, and then all the way down towards the chest. Keep going up. And down. One more time. and down. And next time that you bring the chin down towards the chest, you start rolling the whole body down. Coming into that forward fold again. Maybe you feel like it's a little bit easier this time. Hold on to those elbows and sway left or right. And if that doesn't feel good, stay in that forward fold without swaying. See if you want to come into a little sway in the hips as well. Really relax that whole upper body down as far as you can. And bring it back to the middle. Let your arms hang all the way down. We're coming into that halfway fold. Hands on top of the knees or just above the knees. Find that parallel of the back with the floor. And on an in-breath, bring the arms towards the front. Good. And over to the side. Keep elongating that neck. Back to the middle, over to the other side. And back to the middle again, and bring those arms back as if you are flying. Lovely. And bring the arms back down, bend the knees a little bit more again. Let the head hang down into that forward fold. Maybe in the meantime you can touch the floor a little bit already. And slowly but surely roll yourself back up to standing. Nice. And once you're back up to standing, find your mountain pose. Arms nice and open. Maybe you want to close your eyes for a second. Relax those shoulders. And breathe. Good. Left arm comes into the sky. Right arm grabs the left wrist. Pull yourself up and over. And add to that stretch by putting one foot behind. Bring it back to the middle. Change it around. Up and over to the sides. And step that foot behind if you want to. Good. Bring it back to the middle again. Big circle with the arms all the way down. Lovely. And you're coming to the top of your mat or the bottom. And we're coming into that forward fold one more time, but this time we are walking all the way out into a plank position. Big breath in, and on an out breath, fold that upper body forward. Bring the hands down onto the floor, bend the knees, and find that plank position. Good. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees down onto the floor and come into a child's pose. Untuck those toes. Child's pose, down with the head onto the floor.